How to change Wuthering waves resolution. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to quickly change the resolution in Wuthering waves to improve your graphics or boost performance. Let's get started. Step by step. For PC users. Step 1. Launch Wuthering waves and wait for the main menu to load. Step 2. Click the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. Step 3. Navigate to the Graphics tab on the left. Step 4. Find the option called Resolution, like this. Step 5. Click it and choose your preferred resolution. For example, 1920. Não, apaga isso. For example, 1920 to 1080 or 2560 by 1440. Step 6. Right below, you can also toggle full screen or window mode, depending on your preference. Step 7. Once you're done, click Apply. Then, a confirmation message will appear. Press Yes to save the changes. For mobile users, open Wuthering waves on your phone or tablet. Step 2. Tap the gear icon in the top right corner. Step 3. Go to the graphics section. Step 4. Select a preset like low, medium, or high, or tap Custom for more control. Step 5. Under Custom, find the render resolution and adjust the slider to change visual quality. Step 6. Higher values give better visuals. Lower values improve performances. Step 7. The changes are saved automatically. No need to press Apply. And that's it. That was the quick tutorial on how to change your resolution in Wuthering waves. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.